This is the AI News Flash for July 11th, 12 p.m. UTC. First up, Robinhood plans to let AI agents trade cryptocurrency on behalf of eligible U.S. customers. Users open a separate account and fund it directly. Agents can access only those designated funds, and users can disconnect an agent at any time. The agents connect through Robinhood's Model Context Protocol servers with real-time profit and loss tracking and push notifications. The crypto support expands the equities agentic trading product Robinhood, launched in beta in May, which drew more than 70,000 dedicated accounts within its first few weeks. Executives frame it as another step toward giving retail investors the advantages institutions have long enjoyed. At the same time, House Financial Services Committee Democrats have asked the SEC to respond to concerns about agentic trading risks by July 31st. Next, North Dakota's Interim Committee on Artificial Intelligence and Data Centers has released the agenda for its first meeting next week. The meeting takes place on Wednesday, July 16th in Bismarck and will cover AI and data center regulation in other states and at the federal level, how AI differs from traditional computing, current AI use inside state agencies, and the relationship between data centers and the energy sector. Lawmakers formed the committee at the end of June to lay the groundwork ahead of the 2027 legislative session. It includes 10 lawmakers, plus a utility regulation expert and a former university system chancellor with AI expertise. The committee will meet 3 to 5 times before the session, with some meetings held as field trips around the state. As power and water use by data centers becomes a national flashpoint, states are working out how to regulate them. And finally, Goldman Sachs calls optical networking AI's next trillion-dollar opportunity and says Lumentum could be the biggest winner. Inside AI data centers, bandwidth between GPUs is hitting the physical limits of copper wiring, pushing the shift toward optical interconnects and silicon photonics. Goldman points to optical component maker Lumentum as a key beneficiary of that structural demand. As AI infrastructure spending from the likes of NVIDIA expands, optical connectivity is seen as a layer with structurally growing demand. It signals investor attention broadening from the GPUs themselves to the optical layer around them.
That's all for this AI News Flash.